Ever wondered how to make the most out of your air fryer? Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey that will take you through 6 mouth-watering recipes that can be effortlessly whipped up with this amazing kitchen tool. The humble air fryer is not just about frying, it's a versatile culinary genius, offering simplicity and convenience in an unbeatable combo. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, these recipes will make your taste buds dance with joy. Stay tuned as we dive into our first delicious recipe. What's better than homemade French fries? Let's get started. Welcome to the world of air fryer French fries. This recipe is a game changer for all you potato lovers out there. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. We'll need about 3 large russet potatoes, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Start by cutting your potatoes into 1/4-inch sticks. Remember, uniformity is key here. Once that's done, soak your potato sticks in cold water for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial for getting that perfect crispy texture we all crave. After soaking, drain the potatoes and pat them dry. Now toss them in a bowl with the olive oil and salt. Ensure every piece is evenly coated. Now it's time for the star of the show, the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 193 degrees Celsius. Once it's heated, arrange the fries in a single layer, ensuring they aren't overcrowded. Cook for about 15 minutes, then give them a good shake and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them towards the end, as cooking times can vary slightly. The aroma of fresh, homemade French fries will fill your kitchen. Once they're golden brown and crispy, they're ready to serve. Add a little extra salt if needed, and voila! And there you have it, crispy golden French fries right from your own air fryer. For our next recipe, we are cooking up some juicy chicken tenders. Now let's get started. The ingredients you need are 1 pound of chicken tenders, a cup of flour, 2 beaten eggs, and 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Don't forget your favorite seasoning. We're using a combination of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika for that extra kick. First, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While it's warming up, let's prepare the chicken. Season your chicken tenders generously. Then create a breading station. Dip each tender first into the flour, then into the beaten eggs, and lastly, coat them nicely with the breadcrumbs. Now, arrange the breaded chicken tenders in your air fryer basket. Make sure they're not overlapping to ensure even cooking. Pop them into the air fryer and let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Halfway through, turn them over for that perfect golden brown finish on both sides, and there you have it, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. These chicken tenders are a surefire hit. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce or as a side to a hearty meal. The best part? The air fryer makes it all so easy, and with less oil, too. Who knew making chicken tenders could be this easy? Next up, we're whipping up some roasted vegetables. Our veggie medley today includes bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, but feel free to toss in any of your favorites. The beauty of this recipe lies in its flexibility. To prep, chop the vegetables into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they're around the same size for even cooking. Now, for the seasoning. Drizzle the veggies with olive oil, sprinkle some salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Give it a good toss to make sure every piece is well coated. If you like a little kick, a dash of chili flakes will do the trick. Once your veggies are seasoned, spread them out in the air fryer basket. Avoid overcrowding to ensure each piece gets a chance to roast properly. Now let's crank up the heat. Set your air fryer to 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 188 degrees Celsius. Cooking time will vary depending on your vegetable selection and the size of your pieces, but generally 15 to 20 minutes should do the trick. Halfway through, give the basket a good shake or use a spatula to stir the veggies, ensuring they cook evenly. When they're done, the vegetables will be tender with a beautiful golden brown exterior. The air fryer really brings out the natural sweetness in the vegetables, creating a side dish that's both healthy and delicious. Healthy and delicious, a winning combination. We've got 3 more scrumptious recipes for you. First up, we're making air fryer donuts. Who knew you could bake donuts in an air fryer? Start by rolling out pre-made biscuit dough and cutting out circles for your donuts and donut holes. Next, place them in the air fryer basket, ensuring they don't overlap. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. Once they're done, Let them cool a bit before rolling them in melted butter and a mix of sugar and cinnamon. Voila! You've got yourself homemade donuts that are lighter on the waistline, but heavy on flavor. Next, we're diving into a dish that's perfect for a healthy weeknight dinner: air fryer salmon. Begin by patting the salmon fillets dry and seasoning with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Place the fillets skin side down in the air fryer. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 9 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillets. The result is a perfectly cooked salmon that's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Last but certainly not least, we're making air fryer pizza. Start by spreading pizza sauce over a pre-made pizza crust. Next, sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese and top with your favorite ingredients. Make sure not to overload the pizza, or it might not cook evenly. Now, place your pizza in the air fryer and cook at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. The result is a delightful pizza with a crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese. You see, the beauty of an air fryer is its versatility. It's not just for fries or chicken tenders. You can prepare a wide variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, desserts, and everything in between. The best part? It's quick, easy, and a healthier alternative to traditional frying. So, whether you're a seasoned home cook or a novice in the kitchen, an air fryer can simplify your cooking process and expand your culinary repertoire. No need for multiple pots and pans or waiting for the oven to preheat. Plus, the cleanup is a breeze. From donuts to salmon to pizza, these recipes are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of air fryer recipes waiting for you to explore. So, why not get creative and try your hand at these and other delightful dishes? Impressed yet? Your air fryer is a kitchen game changer. Who knew cooking could be this simple and fun with an air fryer? We've just breezed through 6 delectable recipes, from crispy French fries to tender chicken tenders, and a vibrant medley of roasted vegetables. And if that wasn't enough, we showcased not 1, but 3 additional recipes that truly highlight the versatility of your air fryer. The beauty of an air fryer lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It's not just about frying, it's a revolution in your kitchen that helps you roast, bake, and grill with ease. Just toss in your ingredients, set the timer, and let the air fryer work its magic. It's a time saver, a healthier alternative to deep frying, and a game changer for both seasoned home cooks and beginners alike. Remember, the recipes we've shared today are just the tip of the iceberg. You can experiment and create your own culinary masterpieces. The air fryer is your canvas, and you, my friends, are the artists. So, as we wrap up, here's a heartfelt invitation to join our culinary journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Let's continue to explore, learn, and create mouth-watering dishes together. Happy cooking with your air fryer!